Hello, this is Jae Kim of WiPowerOne. Today, I'm introducing WiPowerOne and its business. WiPowerOne is a spin-off company from Kaist, who has been developing Olive technology from 2009. WiPowerOne is specialized in manufacturing wireless charging and wireless power transmission products for various transportation systems. WiPowerOne means wireless power number one. I'm in charge of chairman, and Dr. Joe is the CEO of the company. Here are short bios of both of us. I have more than 30 years of technical and executive management experience in wireless communication industry. And Dr. Joe has more than 35 years of technical research experience in wired wireless communication and wireless charging. Olive technology. Olive means online electric vehicle. Olive technology was selected as one of the world's top 10 emerging technology of 2013 at Davos Forum. Also, it was selected as one of the world's best invention of 2010 by Time magazine. Olive was also selected as one of the second UIC International Union of Railways Research and Innovation Awards. Olive technology was also covered by ASME magazine. ASME means American Society of Mechanical Engineering. You can download the full article from the online. Before jumping into wireless charging, let me briefly introduce the problems of plug-in charging. Plug-in charging means it's manual charging. That means it's inconvenient. It is exposed to outside environment. 97% of plug-in charging station has no canopy. As a self-driving car era coming, manual charging does not make any sense. When there is no driver, who charges? While charging, there is a potential hazard with the plug-in charging, such as electric shock due to electric leakage. Also, the chargers is also exposed to the accident, like explosion, so while charging. Also, there is a battery issue. I will explain this in later. Here is the benefits of wireless charging. So wireless charging is basically it's safe. Secondly, it is convenient. Just come, park and charge and go. That's it. Another benefit of wireless charging is interoperability. In plug-in charging, all different types for plug-in depending on the vehicle types and vehicle company. On the other hand, wireless charging, all types of vehicle can share the same charging infrastructure. Wireless charging has also benefit in the extendability. So it can be extended to any types of transportation system or machines. It also has a strong economical benefit. So in plug-in charging, one-to-one charging with the same type of plug-in connector. However, wireless charging, one-to-N charging, that means that one infrastructure can be shared with many of different types of vehicles. So alternative solution for plug-in charging, there are two types. One is the battery replacement and the catenary type. However, battery replacement scheme was failed. It's proven to be failed. So, and the catenary type, so as you see, it has environmental and visual pollution. In addition, it has no interoperability with other types of vehicles. Olive solution. We are embedding the charging feed under the ground, and the pickup is installed under the bus. And energy transfer by SMFIR with high efficiency. It's a safe, convenient, efficient, and no waiting for charging, longer battery life. Here is a simple example of advantage of Olive solution. And for intra-city buses, average operational distance per day is 300 kilometers. So for plug-in electric bus, with the 350 kilowatt hour battery, the maximum operational distance is 280 kilometers. If we turn on the heater and cooler, then the actual operational distance is just 170 kilometers. Then in a single day, you have to go back to the charging station again for charging the battery. So in the meanwhile, so only with electric bursts. So with a smaller battery, and if we can charge on the bus stop, not just every bus stop, but every 2 or 3 bus stop, if we can charge while loading another passenger, we have enough power to go to another couple of bus stop. Here is an explanation why we can improve battery longevity using OLIVE technology. As all of you know, if we have 80% of DOD, depth of discharge, the battery lifespan is shorter than 3 years. However, if we have just 20% of DOD, we can increase battery lifespan more than 3 times. Combining smaller battery and a longer battery lifespan, we can make economical and eco-friendly systems using OLIVE technology. So here are key technology. We have 3 types of key technology. First one is SMFIR, shaped magnetic field in resonance. As you see at the bottom, left bottom of the photo, if the SMFIR, all the magnetic flux from the feeder is reaching to pickup. However, without SMFIR, the magnetic flux is dangling between the feeder and pickup. So by using the SMFIR technology, we can significantly improve the transmission efficiency. The second technology we have is magnetic beamforming technology. This is specifically designed for static charging. As you see in the left side, when the feeder and pickup are aligned, the full enough energy are transferred from feeder to the pickup. However, when it is misaligned, the transmission efficiency drops significantly. However, using our magnetic beamforming technology, we can beamform the magnetic flux to the pickup side, even though pickup is misaligned from the feeder. By doing that, we can increase the misalignment tolerance more than 2 times. Another technology we have is segmentation scheme for dynamic charging. To minimize EMF, EMI effects, we only activate the relevant segment where the vehicles are on. All other segments are off. Products we have on software and hardware. For hardware, we have inverter, power feeder, pickup. And for software side, we have all control and operating software. OLIVE system has the longest operation distance, more than 1.8 million kilometers as of December 2019. We went through all the certification for EMF, electric safety, load safety, electric bus regulation. Here is a competition analysis. There is an interesting research report from Transport Research Lab, UK, published October 2018. According to the research report, OLIVE is the only technology readiness level 9 out of 16 ERS electric load system candidates. As you see in the table, OLIVE is the top of the table. And the rest of others is 3 to 4, or 5 to 6, or maximum 7 to 8. Here are sample use cases. Kaist shuttle bus. Kaist shuttle buses are on operation from 2012. 2 buses run every 15 minutes. Gumi wireless charging city bus. This is a commercial service from 2014. Another sample use case is Dubai wireless charging system in Dubai Silicon Oasis. So phase 1 project was completed on December 2019. We were supposed to start phase 2 project early this year. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, project was postponed. As soon as the COVID-19 pandemic is cleared, I'm assuming we can start the project, phase 2 project. Here is another sample use case. We are starting commercial city bus service in Daejeon area from next year with 3 OLE buses. IP and standardization strategy. WiPowerOne has strong patent portfolio on OLED technology. WiPowerOne licensed 52 core patents from Kaist. It develops in-house patents as well. For standardization activity, WiPowerOne is heavily engaging in the standard activity as well. Here is a technology roadmap. We are taking step-by-step approach for the applications of OLED technologies to public transportation. As a first step, we start from small scale garage charging. And second step, we are expanding technologies to the bus stop charging. And third step, we are expanding to the dynamic charging. This is an overall technology roadmap for WiPowerOne. In 2019, we completed the phase 1 project at Dubai Silicon Oasis. And 2020, we expanded to the static charging for electric bus. And 2021, expand to the static charging for passenger car. And 2022 to semi-dynamic charging. And 2023, dynamic charging for bus and passenger car. Thank you very much for watching.